Hello YouTube, I'm back and welcome to my channel everybody. So this is February 2025's Paper Pumpkin alternative video number 24 everybody. So I just may get the other videos done because that one last 23 just went by really fast and I expect this one to go by just as fast. So let's take a look at the kit. It was called Hello Spring. It could have been called Hello Herb. So you could have made 3 of this one, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one. You would have gotten these wonderful envelopes, 9 of them to cut up. So over here, this QR code would lead you to a video to show you how to put these cards together as they were designed. Down here lists the coordinating colors. As always, you get a visual of everything in the kit. And then this one would lead you to how to purchase the add-ons called Spring is in the Air. This is a better look at them. They go with January, February, and March Paper Pumpkin. Here are the 2 dies that coordinate with this month's kit. These 2 will coordinate with these 2 coordinate with February, these 2 coordinate with March. Let's look at the stamp set. So we have For You, Sending Love, To a Wonderful Friend, Hello Spring, the chives, and you can cut that little chives right off like that. The background stamp, Happy Easter, and Thanks for Helping Me Grow. Now, this is a note card, yes, and it's going to be lickety split quick. These are simple cards. Majority of the ones sitting over here next to me are simple cards to do. So let's take a look at what I have in my little envelope. So I have a pre-made note card and envelope in white. This is 4 7/8 by 7, scored at 3 1/2. Layer number 1 is 3 1/8 by 4 1/2, and that's in black. Layer number 2 is already glued on there. 3 by 4 3/8, and that's in Kraft. Now, layer number 3 is 3 7/8 by 2 5/16. I know, all because of this little piece. This is partial of the envelope. You can see this is where the flap is right here. Not the flap, but when it opens up, okay? That's its joining piece. And this, I was determined to use this little piece. So I just had to trim it down enough to fit, and this is what I came up with, all because of this little tiny piece of paper. Yes, this is what it's all about, layer number 3. So layer number 4, this is 3 1/4 by 2 4/16. Yes, and we're layering it onto a black piece, which is 3 7/8 by 2 5/16. I want to double check that for a minute. I don't know why, but I'm going to say that something is amiss here. So this is 2. Yes, that is wrong. So 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's 5/16. 2 5/16. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/16. I knew something was wrong. This is 4. Nope, it says 4/16. It's right. It just looked a little funny. So we're going to glue this one, of course, to this one. And then I have an oval that is from December's Paper Pumpkin kit, which I forgot to list. So I have an oval from December 2024 Paper Pumpkin, or just an oval of any kind will do. This was just in my scrap bin when I was cleaning it up. And we have the ephemera piece. Oh my goodness. Ephemera. This is the basil from Kit. Yes, not the label, just the basil. That's what we're using. So let me put the notebook aside. I didn't do such a hot job writing all that down. So all we're going to do on this one, and we're going to use black memento. We're going to put Hello Spring right towards the right-hand side of this. Yes, I'm going to be throwing away my scratch paper after this card, I promise. So right here. There we go. It looks good. That's done. Now let's stamp the inside. This is Portrait. I don't know why I closed it up. All we're going to do is stamp Happy Easter. Really simple. There we go. That's done. Our envelope is going to get to a wonderful friend. Let's go right here. And then sending love on the back. All right, so I've used them just about everything I can on here. I mean, we could turn around and use, let's get some Old Olive. I was just going to use black, but let's go ahead and bring in the chives. It's kind of stuck right now. Give me a second. So we want to stamp it off. Stamp it here. Just breathe some hot air on that one. Then we're going to stamp it off as well. And we are going to go right here. And we're going to grab the little chive blossom and petunia pop if I can locate it real quick. Nope, that's pretty in pink. Thinking fingers of, oh, there it is. I'm going to stamp off one, stamp off two. That's it. I'm not going to do any of that on the envelope. So that's the inside of our card. This, so I don't pull it out, right? Don't put it past me. Don't dare me. I might have to take that dare. All right. So this one, layers 1 and 2 get glued down. When I was originally looking at this, I just had the Kraft down, and then it hit me. It was like, oh, I wonder if we added just a small layer of black, and it just really made everything pop. And I was like, oh, we will definitely use black ink. Oh, because this little piece, I was like, oh, I want to use this. And so I shall. So we shall. I was asking Hank, I said, is it time to start reading Moby Dick again? And he's like, no, he was reading Captain Underpants in class, is his chosen book. He's like, but when football starts up, we can start reading Moby Dick. Look how that just frames it. It really works. So when football starts up, we'll be reading Moby Dick on our way to practice. I mean, it really does the trick. Please tell me that you agree. It just did it. So, Hello Spring is going right here. Now, you could pop the basil, of course, up on dimensionals. Ooh, that really should go over just a little bit more and a little up. Wonder if, yes. Try not to touch it so much. I want it just like that. And this has got a lot of layers. I don't really need to do any more with it, but you could put this up. You know what? I have this, and this is one of those things, so I'm going to use this. It's not quite a dimensional. It is a glue dot. It's one of those big round ones, and I'm going to use it. Why? Because I can, and it's literally sitting here. It's going to add some dimension to it, but not a lot. And after all, that's what I'm looking for. So you can see it has a little dimension in here, but not a lot, and that's what I want. I don't want a lot of dimension. And there is my very sweet and simple little card. Now, do we add those? Oh, definitely the gold. Yes, I was thinking of these. I really was. These were in my. So we are going to go one here. And then one, like, I want it, for some reason, I really want it right here, but I think that is like not the spot. I think it needs to be here. So there we go. Card check done. That is, oh my goodness, that is so fast. Yes, I think I can get one more done. So that is my little card. And those are low profile dots. Oh my goodness, Stampin' Up! Should make more of those. So that's it. And we need to add the Wink Estella. Oh no. Okay, can't add the Wink Estella now, guys. It is under. It rolled back over here. You can't see it, but it's like right up in this area. I gotta pull my filing cabinet out to get to it, so it's not happening anytime soon. I will have to stop, pull out the filing cabinet to get to it. It rolled right up underneath there. It's not going nowhere. It's gonna stay there. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you like this one as well. I always hope you like them. And I even appreciate comments where you're like, that's not my cup of tea. Because you know why? Because I appreciate that even when it's not your cup of tea, that you took the time to watch. That is such kind support that you're even willing to watch my videos when it's not your kind of card making. I find that so special, because it just shows how much you care for what I'm doing, and it is so appreciated. I want you to know that. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I do hope that you come back and visit me here in my wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.